He was deeply influenced by Mahatma Gandhi and worked very closely with him. He spent time with Mahatma Gandhi and was influenced by him. He was even arrested several times for participating in the civil disobedience movement. So, arrested means he was put in jail many a times when he was participating in the civil disobedience movement. But this time in jail only strengthened his resolve to gain independence for India. But what happened? Putting him in jail, what happened? Strengthened him to gain independence for India. He also used this time to understand Gandhiji's principle of non cooperation and non violence. So, there he understand all the principles of Gandhiji's principle of non cooperation and non violence. Later, he traveled to several other nations and met their political leaders. Then he went to other nations to meet the political leaders and he gained support for India's independence from many countries so that he can gain support for our own country for its independence from many other countries. He also tried to understand their system and was impressed by how these countries were run. So he tried to understand the system of other countries so that he can imply this that system in our own country to make it run smoothly. After becoming prime minister, he worked hard to implement this successful system for India as well. So after becoming prime minister, he worked very hard for the successful system of India to make India a good nation. Then finally, on 15 August 1947, India got freedom and Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted the national flag at Red Fort. He then took up the challenge of using all that he had learned to build a healthy and prosperous nation. So he worked hard to make our country a healthy and prosperous nation. Nehru's idea of progress carried young India towards great scientific advancement. So that time his ideas made advancement in science also. He also brought about many social reforms that helped women, farmers, laborers, and the poor. So he tried his best to help the women, poor people, farmers, and laborers. Under his governance, many important institutions of the countries were set up. So these institutions were Indian Institute for Technology (IIT) for technology. One institution for Indian institution was set, and the All India Institution of Medical Science, that is AIMS, was set. And India's first space program was also set up. So all this progress was done that time when Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister of India, first Prime Minister. Jawaharlal Nehru served as the Prime Minister of India right from its independence in 1947 till his death in 1964. So in 64 he died. All through this time, Nehru kept India's cultural heritage intact and helped the nation develop into an India we can be proud of. So he did all his best to make the country a successful nation. I hope you understand this chapter and read the chapter once again at home so that you will understand it more clearly. Thank you.